Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all are doing well. Can we go to the third chapter? Pairs of equations. Yes, do you remember equations? I think it is simple one. Last year you learned equation. What is equation? There you can see unknown number, that is x, you put the, and they give some questions and we make it an algebraic expressions. Then you solve the value of x. Yes, the same thing we are doing here. Here it is pairs of equations. There you use only single equation. Here pairs. Pairs means not one, more than two. It is two equations. We are solving two equations. Then we will get the values. That's all. This is very important. You think why you are teaching this? This is important for PSC exams or bank tests. Maybe this type of questions are coming. So be careful, be attentive. Keep learning, keep trying, and keep smiling. So first question, page number 36. In a rectangle of perimeter 1 meter, one side is 5 centimeter, one side is 5 centimeters longer than the other. What are the lengths of the sides? What is given in the question? Perimeter they are given. First step is what they are given, that you have to write in the copy. Perimeter. Perimeter is 1 meter. Okay. Then what they are given? One side is 5 centimeter larger than the other. That means there is two sides. This is a rectangle. First it is a rectangle. Okay. Here there is a rectangle. Suppose one side we can take x. Two side is there. One side is 5 centimeters longer than the other. That means this is x. And other side is longer by 5 centimeter. Okay. So what is the next side? This is x and other side is 5 centimeters longer than x. Okay. Here they are telling 5 centimeter. This is centimeter, this 5. So we can convert this perimeter into centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Now, we know that the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. L is the length and B is the breadth. So, what is perimeter? We can write 100 equal to 2 into, what is length here? We can write length is x plus 5. Then what is breadth? Breadth here it is x. So we will get 100 equal to 2 times 2 into x plus x, that is 2x plus 5. Now we can multiply. So 100 equal to 2 into 2x, that is 4x, plus 2 into 5, that is 10. Now we can take this number this side. So what will happen? 100. Here it is plus. So this will change to subtraction. Here addition. If we change the equation side, so addition will change to subtraction. Subtraction will change to addition. Multiplication will change to division. Division will change to multiplication. Now 100 minus 10 equal to 4x. Now this will come 90. 90 equal to 4x. Now we want what is x. X equal to 90. Here 4 is multiplication. So if we change the equation side, so what will happen? This will go to down or division. 90 divided by 4. So x equal to 4 how many times? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. Then we will get 1. 10 will come. In 10 how many times 4? 4 will come 2 times. That is 2 4s are 8. Again what the balance will come? 2 will come. So we will put one decimal point. So we can put 1 0 here. So in 20, how many times? 5 times. That is 22.5. If you don't know to divide in this way, we can divide like this. 90 divided by 4. So how many times? 2 times 8. Subtract 1, 10. That is 2 times 8. Subtract 2 will come. So 2 it is not divisible. So we can put 0. Then 20 5 times. Likewise also we can divide. You divide in short method, that is more better. You are coming in the higher class. Directly you cut it, that is better. If you don't know, you can divide in that manner. Now we get x equal to 22.5. Now that is what? Breadth. So what is length? Length equal to x plus 5. This is same as breadth. This is same as breadth. Now where we have to write this breadth, here we can write it. Little space is there. Okay. Now length is equal to x plus 5. That is what is x? 22.5 plus 5. What will be the answer? 22 plus 5, that is 27.5. What is the unit? Unit is centimeter. Okay. A class has 4 more girls than boys. On a day when only 8 boys were absent, the number of girls was twice of that boys. How many girls and boys are there in the class? First we understand the question. So read the question again. Then each and every line you understand. So in the first line, a class has 4 more girls than boys. That is, the girls are compared with the boys. So we can write boy is x and girl we can write x plus 4. Now one day, what happened? The boys were absent. 8 boys were absent. The number of girls was twice that of the boys. That is, number of girls is twice number of girls is twice that boys. Boys, how many were absent? 8 were absent. On a day, one particular day, the boys 8 were absent. So the number of girls is equal to twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 times x minus 8. Then we know that what is girls? Girls means x plus 4. So instead of girl, we can write x plus 4 is equal to 2 times x minus 8. So we will get 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 8, 16. This is same as x plus 4. We can take this x to this side and 16 this side. So we can write 4 plus 16, here it is subtraction. So this will come addition if we change the side. So 2x. Here it is x is addition. So this side we go, it will come subtraction. Now we will get 20. 6 plus 16, 20. That is equal to 2x minus 6, that is x. That is, what is the number of boys? Boys is x. So x, that is 20. Then what is girls? Girls, we know that x plus 4. X plus 4, that is equal to 20 plus 4, that is 24. Okay, this is the answer. We can check in that day what happened. Girls number is, we know how much. What is the girls number? 24. Then in the question they are telling that 2 times. How many boys are absent? 8 boys. Boys how many? 20. 20 minus 8, how much? 20 boys are there, 8 are absent. So 20 minus 8. That day, how many are present? 12 are present. Then twice means 2 times. That is 2 into 12, you will get 24. That is the situation they are given in the next. That is, the number of girls was twice that of boys when 8 boys are absent. I think you understand this. If you don't understand, again and again you watch. So it is easy to understand. Okay. Next question. A man invested 10,000 rupees split into 2 schemes at annual rates of interest 8% and 9%. After 1 year, he got 875 rupees as interest from both. How much did he invest in each? How much amount he invested? 10,000 in 2 schemes. Rate of interest 8%, 9%. He got simple interest, that is 875. First we can write that one. That is, there is 10,000 rupees total principal. 10,000. Principal is 10,000. Then rate of interest is, one rate of interest is 8. Another one 9%. 8%, 9%. Time is 1 year. he got simple interest. Simple interest he got 875 together. So how much he put in the first scheme and what is in the second scheme? That is the question. So we don't know how much amount. We can write in the first scheme he put X, in the another he put Y. So total amount will come 10,000. We can write this is equation 1. Then we know simple interest. Simple interest, the formula is principal amount, rate of interest, time period upon 100. What letters you have learned that you can apply. The thing is same. Principal amount we don't know, that is X. So that we can write here. Here the interest will come. This is the simple interest. Principal amount, that is X. We don't know. We put X. Then rate of interest we know 8%. That is 8% means 8 time is 1. So no need of that. Then 1 year. Time is 1 year, so no need to write 1. Same it is. Now, what is the second scheme principal amount? That is Y. What is the rate of interest? 9%. Time period? That is 1. So, what he get? He get 875 rupees. Now, we can simplify this. 8 into X, 8X upon 100. Plus y into 9, y9, otherwise 9y, y9 or 9y upon 100, that is equal to 875. This 100 denominator both are same, we can take 8x plus 9y upon 100 is equal to 875. Now we can change this 100 to that side. Here it is division, so this will come multiplication. So we can write 8x plus 9y, that is equal to 875, 2 zeros. This equation we can take it as 2. So first equation we get x plus y equal to 10,000. Second equation we get 8x plus 9y equal to 87,500. We want to solve this. Using this equation we can solve x and y. Here we get two equations, x plus y equal to 10,000, 8x plus 9y, that is 87,500. So we can solve. How we can solve? We can make this x term same. Likewise we can solve this. That means if it is 8, we can subtract, that will cancel. For that we multiply with 8 with all these terms. Otherwise we can use this coefficient, y term. So this 9 we multiply, what will happen? This is 9x, here 9y, then 90,000. So 9y, 9y you can cancel by subtracting. This is the method we can follow. So we will get one single term. So here I multiply with 9 with the equation 1. 9 into equation 1. So what will come? This will come like that. 9x. I multiply with this equation fully. 9x plus 9y, that is equal to 10,000 into 9. What will come? 90,000. So we will get, this is equation 3. Now another one, equation 3 we can write, here we can write equation 3. Okay, then we are not doing anything here, we just write 8x plus 9y equal to 87,500. This is equation 4 now. Otherwise we can write it as equation 2. We are not changing anything there. Now we can subtract. What we have to subtract? Equation 3 minus equation 2. Equation 3 minus equation 2. So minus means we have to put minus. That means there is a bracket. So we have to put minus in every word. So plus minus, here will come minus. Here it is positive. So we put the minus, this will come negative. So what the change we have done, we can write down. So there is no problem. Because we are subtracting the whole equation. So we have to subtract minus, we have to multiply everywhere. That is, here there is plus, that change to minus. Here there is plus, that if we, it will come minus and plus will come minus. Here it is positive number, this will change to minus. Now 9x minus 8, we will get x. X equal to, subtract, this one is cancel, this cancel 0, it will come, no need to write, cancel it. Then subtract here, 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Then 10 minus 5, it is 5. So here it is 9, 9 minus 7, it is 2. Then that is 8 minus 8, that is 0. So x we get 2,500. Now directly you can apply x plus y equal to, x plus y equal to 10,000. So y equal to 10,000 minus x. This x will go there, that is 2,500. You subtract, you will get 0, 0, 5. Then this change to 9. 9 minus 2, that is 7. So in the first scheme 2,500, in another scheme, the second scheme, 7,500.